So, I'm going to be opening in this video the Graco Verb Travel System with Snugride 30. Okay, I've seen several videos on this today, and so now this is going to be our very own unboxing of our little, his name is Liam, our little Liam's first stroller, our first family stroller. Put the baby in, so I'm going to set it aside.
Car seat.
Car seat, yes. That was to set this baby up on its, what will be its feet. Okay, so there it is. It's setting up on its feet till it snaps, it said. Okay, there we go. Now, next step is to put the wheels on, and it'll be the ones in the front first. And that will be these ones with the lock on them, all right? So let's do that. It's supposed to go on like that. And this one goes on like that.
Oh yeah.
That one spins. Oh, because the lock is down. There you go. They spin with the lock down. All right. Next step is going to be the bar. Okay, this bar. It goes underneath on the backside. Kind of funny, they tell us to stand it upright and then immediately tell us to flip it over. Kind of funny. All right. These are stoppers, so they need to be to the back. That's the back. So as we're pushing the baby down the street, there they go. And of course we got that on there. That's your little brake. And then we take the next set of wheels. And don't make this mistake. Thank goodness the baby is not here yet, so we have time to figure these things out. That's why we have a plastic baby. So this is the little pin that holds the axle onto the wheel, and then the little washer between the pin and the washer. And so I need to put one of these on. Here it is. Rub up. Flip her over again. Put this on. And then we take the washer, flip that in there, and then we take the pin. There we go. This is not hard. Not hard at all. Now we put the hubcap back on. There we go. And we do the other side as well. I basically didn't have to even look at the instructions to figure out 90% of it. That's how easy this is. Hubcap on. There we go. And there you have it. It's complete. Ready to go.
Yay!
So now we are going to put the drink thing on the front. Okay. And then we have one more drink thing on the back. Because you can never have too many drinks, especially when for us, this is for our water bottles. It's telling us not to do that. It has little buttons. Pull it off. Make sure you're doing this right. Obviously, that needs to be forward to do this. Well, that's not moving. Okay. Boom! There you go. It also, everything that goes together, locks. This is, by the way, the thing that locks it if I take it apart and put it in the back of the car. All right. So one of the cool features is I can look at the baby right there. I can look down at the baby. The next thing we want to do is
Put in the car seat.
yeah. I can't put this in just like it is because it has what goes in the car, which I'll do in another video at some other time. So I've got to take this out of this first. I'm going to pull this out of its frame, plastic frame on the bottom. There's a big red button right here. See it? So here we go. Boom. Right out, no problem. And then we snap her in this way, right? So
Yep.
face the baby as you're walking in.
There.
There it is, baby. There you go. I got the handle up, and then since we got green on the top here, my lovely wife pointed out to me that we need green on the top on the other side too.
Yeah, down. That. Yeah,
You
under.
think the arm should go down?
Yeah, it should.
Oh yeah, the arm goes over it.
Yep.
That's the mistake I was making. Okay.
And then you can extend the other one too.
Wow. It almost looks like the old-timey ones. And then this one
Like
laps
that?
over that.
Yeah.
And then if I'm afraid that there's not enough like airflow for the baby, I can open that. Hello, you little baby. There you go, little baby. Our very first stroller, thanks to Graco, because we think Graco's going to be a good company. Complete wheels on and all. Rides real smooth right here on our hardwood floor. I'm excited about this. I don't think it's the best for running necessarily, but anyway, maybe when we have a toddler, we'll test out its running capability. Please let us know what you think and subscribe if you